Hi everyone, welcome to iExamB for 50% faster preparation. I will ask you a simple question. You have to answer in yes and no. Have you stopped cheating in exams? Question number 1. Question number 2. When will you stop lying to your friends? Answer in yes and no. Very simple questions. Life is like this. You can't really answer most of the questions in yes and no. Why am I saying all this to you? Because many a time you are asking questions which we have already answered, that is about 2025 Grade B notification. Sushil sir made a video in which he mentioned about the discussion which is happening in RBI, and then I made a video in which I clarified what kind of discussion is happening and what are the possible outcomes and why we shall not go much into this, because this is just a discussion. There is no decision yet, and until there is a new decision, the status quo continues, and the status quo is, you know the answer. You have still question. So come to me and ask in the workshop. I don't want to make long videos on this topic of 2025 RBI Grade B versus RBI Grade A, because I want to talk more about the preparation of RBI Grade B, preparation of all regulatory body exam, preparation for building your career. And this is going to be a long discussion, a long discussion where you will not only just listen, where you will not only watch some evidence, you will also participate. You will understand where you stand today and when is the right time for you to start preparation, what all exam you shall target. The link of the workshop is given in the description below. I look forward to see you, and there you feel free to ask the questions, because that will not result into wasting others' time. I wish you a 50% faster preparation and faster selections to build a career. All the best.